This welcome. It's a very heartwarming. Thank you. So I'm Jimmy Lawson from France, and I'm happy to be here in the Philippines. I would like to thank you for listening. English is not my first language, so I will try to make me understand. If you have questions or you don't understand things, please let me know. So I'm working in a business of malt extract. So we can think, beer, but it's not only beer. It touches many industries like bakeries, some pharmacy. It's a lot of things, and so I'm still business with my dad, and I like it, but a lot of stress, because very often in businesses you need to always do big sales, and it's not always easy. And I met this November, I had the chance to meet Mon that came here to France to introduce me Riway. Mon came with Pegasus 3, our dear Jude Atienza, and his dad June, and we have a first meeting around a table where we have a nice meal. And of course, Mon insists to pay. I didn't understand yet why he has to pay. We don't know each other, but I feel in Mon a lot of trust. And I don't know him, but I know this guy. I have to be with him. He's kind of, I don't know, you don't find people like him. He's already inspire confidence. And he's some kind of very nice and really bring you self-confidence right away. When you don't really to say you don't really know what the platform is and everything, but he explained with simple words that makes him very wanted to go with it. So we went there, and having already a business, I didn't know, if I would have time to do two things, because the business I have, I'm doing it with my dad, and so in families, you stay with family. You're not gonna say, well, I found a better job, I'm gonna go away. So I decided to go on with the business, the family business, but also going with Riway, because everything I heard, was such a revelation. Everything. So we went for France, and then we saw each other on Zoom meetings, because we were not in the same town. I'm from Toulouse, in southwest of France, and him is Philippines.